can't see all of it. Not that most of you know what you're looking at anyways. But the form on the back of this column, and there's a radius, a form behind it, all kinds of extra reinforcement, kicking off the walls. I mean, extra boards in this tight little scaffold setup. And I bet you know where we are. Right here in Cleveland, Ohio. I gotta put all that material in there. We gotta use this thing. Nice pump. We gotta hardwire electricity in. I think the people who set up your work for you would think about those things prior to the morning of. Sometimes it just doesn't happen. You get an idea how bad it smells. That's a trash compactor in Cleveland, Ohio. They literally have a bug zapper in this place. You hear it go off every 20 seconds and it gets another roach. Wilson. This is the other side of the form in the column. We were hoping to get this poured today. Got it poured in thirds. It's about 15 feet high at 150 pounds per cubic foot times however many feet high. That's why you need all this bracing and crap. Hopefully this turns out well. Yeah. Anybody ever see that mini shrink post somewhere? Carrying the load of a post tension cable beam on a beam that's almost 4 foot thick by itself.